15 ways to use patterned wood in your home. If laying new floors is too much work for you, this herringbone headboard from I Spy DIY will give you the same look for a lot less effort. There's just something about a wooden headboard that makes a bedroom feel adult and rustic at the same time. We love how this herringbone look uses different pieces of colored wood to make it pop, and still tie into the rest of the room's decor. You can even pair it with some stunning wood-hewn artwork to round out the whole look. Wood flooring isn't just for your living space. Check out this updated kitchen from Decorist Official that incorporates a herringbone-style wooden floor to give it a modern appearance. If you're scared to try wood flooring in your kitchen, don't be. As long as you prep and seal the wood correctly, they can work beautifully in a kitchen and stand up well over time. Because this kitchen has so much tile work on the walls and backsplash, adding a wood floor helps to break up the look. If herringbone wood floors are too simple for you, we've found the perfect look to kick it up a notch. This stunning blue and white wood flooring from Raptilian on Pinterest is sure to catch your guests' attention as soon as they walk in the door. We love how the pattern starts heavy and slowly tapers off as it moves away from the bold blue door. Though we think adding colored floor pieces works best in a small space like an entryway, we think this could also add an interesting visual touch to a nursery or kids' room. This twist on parquet flooring from Côte de Texas adds intrigue and lends rooms a vintage feel. This interlocking wood design looks stately and totally classy, and we can imagine it helping complete a formal dining room or a sitting room. It's no secret that we love barn doors, and this patterned wooden version from Remodelaholic is the perfect way to marry these two trendy design elements. By laying the wooden pieces in a V shape, this otherwise simple entryway looks finished and purposefully decorated. Try a textured barn door in your master bedroom instead of a standard closet door. Here's another patterned wooden wall idea that's perfect for an eat-in kitchen. Spotted on Designer Trapped, this easy DIY is fun and adds a diner-like element to the space. A patterned wooden pantry barn door is another great way to bring this look into the kitchen. Though this look isn't truly a woodworking design, it provides the same effect with slightly less effort. Seen on Codor Design, this wood flooring uses stencils and stain to give an inlaid appearance at a much lower cost. We love this idea during a renovation if you need to spruce up old floors but aren't ready to update the whole house just yet. This side table from Sinesabiden is a great way to introduce the wood herringbone look into your living room without installing entirely new floors. This is a great weekend project and a smart way to use up old wood pallets. Pair with the perfect modern reading lamp, and voila, a wood piece that will stand out in any living space. Patterned floors not your style? This amazing chevron ceiling from Jen_ATX Realtor is the perfect way to incorporate wooden patterns into your home in an unexpected manner. Adding a wooden, planked ceiling to a sunroom, den or living space is an easy way to add architectural detail without bringing in a contractor. Your fifth wall is often a neglected surface in your home, but it's a great place to start when considering patterned woodworking. This herringbone floor from Rumor Designs is actually made of tile, not wood, but provides a similar look and feel as the real thing. If you want to stick with solid wood, you can recreate this white and gray washed look by adding stains to your wood flooring. We love this idea in an enclosed porch or laid in a sunny, open kitchen. This checker patterned floor is another way to add texture and visual interest to your flooring without ripping out the whole works. Spotted on Nordic Bliss, we love the white checkered pattern that's not only beautifully unique, but also hides unsightly discoloration and blemishes in an older wood floor. Never be afraid to break the rules when experimenting with patterned woodworking. This stunning piece from Joseph Ryan Designs is another great way to add herringbone your home with little effort. This multicolored wooden coffee table is the perfect accompaniment to a simple, white living space. It adds a bit of rustic charm without feeling overly farmhouse-like. We may have found our dream bathroom on Glitter Inc. This French-inspired look has a stunning clawfoot tub, beautiful subway tile and, best of all, a gorgeous herringbone wood floor. Similar to using wood in your kitchen, be sure to treat and seal the wood flooring in your bathroom to avoid moisture issues. Though it's a little extra work, it's so worth it for this stunning look. Sure, bright paint or textured wallpaper is a great way to add depth to a wall, but this woodworking idea, as spotted on Little Piece of Me, is all about taking it to the next level. We adore the crisscrossed wood pattern and the multiple shades that give this room a rustic southwestern feel. By framing the wooden wall with white baseboard, the style doesn't overpower the room's look but rather complements the rest of the decor. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.